What's up, Peak Timers? Here it is, the brand new McLaren Senna from Hot Wheels, one of the best new releases of 2019, and we are finally putting it down the track. We have never put this down the track before. First time ever, the first race you will see right now. Let's go ahead though and see who the McLaren Senna is racing up against. We've got 6 amazing hypercars here, a great lineup of cars. Which ones do you think will beat the Senna? Which one will the Senna beat? Let's go ahead and have a look at our first car, the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Here it is in silver. I absolutely love this casting. Such a gorgeous car in this colorway. I love the black stripe down there as well. And next up is the Ferrari Laferrari in red, of course, the best hypercar from Ferrari right now, and that's going to be a really great race against the Senna. After that, we've got the Porsche 918 Spyder. This is the brand new Weissach Pack Edition paint job, 2019 release. It's a fast car as well. Then we've got the Mclaren P1, the green P1, McLaren versus McLaren. This will be the first time you see the Senna go up against another McLaren. That's going to be a very interesting race, to say the least. After that, we've got the Lamborghini Veneno in orange. Oh my God, the most exotic looking Lamborghini we have ever seen. Such a gorgeous car. Look at that orange with the blacked out wheels. And last but not least, we've got the big bad Bugatti Veyron Speed Machines Edition. This thing is amazing looking. It's fast, and that against the Senna is going to be a great race. All right, let's get started with race number 1. And here we go for race number 1, Reventon Roadster versus McLaren Senna. On your mark, get set, go! And in its first ever race down the track, the McLaren Senna takes out the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster, which is now facing the wall. We've got the Ferrari Laferrari. Let's see who takes it in race number 2. Race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And the McLaren Senna takes out the LaFerrari and the Reventon Roadster, which is now 2 for 2. Now we've got the 918 Spyder. Let's see what happens. Who's going to take this one? On your mark, get set, go! And the McLaren Senna is now 3 for 3, taking out the Porsche, the Ferrari, and the Lamborghini. But it's now time to see it up against one of its own, the McLaren P1 in the brand new green colorway. Let's find out who wins this one. On your mark, get set, go! Four hypercars, and they all lose to the McLaren Senna. It's turning out to be quite a fast car, but now we've got the Lamborghini Veneno. This has proven to be a very fast car down the track. Let's find out who wins this one. On your mark, get set, go! Five hypercars, and they have all been beaten by our McLaren Senna, but it's now time for the Bugatti Veyron. Can it take out the Senna so the Senna doesn't take the sweep? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! Six hypercars taken out by the McLaren Senna. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this Senna beat out those 6 cars. But it is now time to find out, can the McLaren Senna beat Jaguar XJ220, the current champ, the current fastest Hot Wheels car down the peak time racing track? Let's find out. We'll do a best of 3 race. Here we go. Race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! The Senna not quite fast enough in race number 1, but it still has another opportunity in race number 2. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Wow, guys, an amazing race. I cannot believe the McLaren Senna beat out all the 6 Hypercars. Unfortunately, not fast enough to beat out the XJ220 champion, but that's okay. The McLaren Senna is an amazing car, and I'm so happy that it is a quick one. Let me know in the comments down below which cars you want to see the Senna race next. Smash that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.